moment that you stop trying to fight lust is the moment that you conquer it. You see, with any addiction, the only way to get over it is by changing your heart. Think about the kind of people that indulge in whatever you're trying to quit. Whether that's, alcohol, you want to not act like someone who drinks, Instead of saying that you're trying to quit drinking alcohol, you'd say, I'm just not the kind of person who drinks anymore. It's less of a fight and more of a change, if that makes any sense. And if this helped you, then send it to a friend that needs it. And press copy link to help with the algorithm. Good night, guys.